Okay, so we made Tiny's environment.
So yeah.
Now he's pretty good at home. He still hasn't come out of his shell yet, since we keep changing his terrain.
Yeah. So so this is Tiny right here.
In case you haven't watched the last 2 episodes, Tiny is our pet snail.
Yeah. So
He really likes grass. Actually, he likes moss.
Yeah,
We found him on a mossy hill.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get the moss and hope Tiny does not escape.
Okay, I'll keep an eye on him while you get the moss.
Okay. Feed it in some nice green leaves if you can find it.
Nah, I'll just leave him be. We're gonna see if Tiny. Dad, I think my sister might have squished him, but I can't tell her that. So yeah, I'm gonna pick you up, Tiny, and see what you do in my hand. So yeah, there's Tiny. Okay, he's back. Now I can see I'm holding Tiny. So, Carla, Tiny moved. Tiny moved.
Oh, good. He's over there. Okay, I'll put some moss right there.
Just
in that
joking.
corner.
I picked him up and put him in that spot. Just joking.
Right over there. Okay, so we got the moss blobs. So yeah, I'm sure he'll like the moss.
He'll come out soon. Okay. Well, I'm
He's
happy.
there, not there. He's right there.
Yeah, no. I'm trying to move this screen. No, I'm really bad with this camera.
Now why don't I do it? Can I do it?
No. Okay. So I'm gonna check if Tiny is happy in this.
Hey,
Alright,
he's
I'm
right there.
So slowly, sometimes I'm gonna have to drop leaves in.
Yup.
Like so
That's
it's like
enough
the real
because
world.
he doesn't like too many leaves. He's not coming out. Probably because he's like making
Cold?
a bathroom. Probably.
I think he's cold.
Yeah. I'll get him some more grass if you can hold the camera. So yeah.
This isn't gonna be the longest episode. I'm sorry about that, but it's gonna cover what really we need to cover.
Yeah.
So yeah. What? Okay. Quickly come. I can't. I don't see Tiny anymore. I think he moved somewhere. No. Yeah, he went under a leaf. They took it off him. Come on.
I got some green leaves and grass. I got some grass and some green leaves.
Drop it in then.
Right there.
Okay, I
The
think
grass and some nice
Tiny's
green
happy now.
leaves.
Okay. So yeah, that's about everything we need to cover. So bye.
Bye. Wait, let me just